I know that maybe some of you for traveling to new destinations never talk with any agencies. But something which is a little different in Iran is that it's better to talk with agencies, especially for your visa, before traveling to Iran because the risk of rejection will decrease. Also, you have this chance to learn more about this country because maybe you didn't find some of the amazing places or unique experience depends on your personality. So in this case, you will save your time and your money for traveling to Iran. But maybe you asked me, so how we can find the best agencies in Iran? I know maybe it's hard, but you have different way. The first one is to ask them about their certification to prove that they have allowed to work on your visa or on the tour. So in this case, you will become sure that you didn't lose your money. The second way is to talk with them and ask them different questions, and if you see that they didn't have enough information, you have to check it a little. The third way is to check the rate of TripAdvisor, or maybe ask from those who have this experience, or maybe check their Instagram page. I mean reviews that maybe they have in their page. And if they have checkpoint in different aspects, you can trust them and try to apply for your visa or maybe for your tour. It's our honor to tell you that we are working for a long time on Iran tours and know different agencies and gather all of them on one platform. And you can find all of the agencies which have certificated and choose between their tours and their offers. Also, our consultant is here to help you to find the best itinerary which is totally matched with your personality. And it will happen with a small short psychological test which is show us your personality a little more. So in this case, if you have a plan to visit Iran, don't forget to contact us through WhatsApp number or direct message. We are waiting for you.